In the world of property management, time is money. But what if accounting takes up all your time?
There has to be a better way.
Introducing DoorLoop, the easiest to use all-in-one property management software with a set of the most powerful accounting features every property manager needs. Connect with your bank, receive payments automatically, send funds to vendors, track bills, customize your chart of accounts, and manage expenses with real-time reporting, all in one place. Forget manual reconciliations. With DoorLoop, it's as easy as integrate with QuickBooks seamlessly and say goodbye to manual data entry.
Can I invite my accountant to access my reports?
Absolutely! Add as many users as you want, so you can share your reports and make bookkeeping and taxes a breeze. But don't just take our word for it.
I love that we can collect payments right through DoorLoop.
We have everything in one place, and it syncs with our accounting software as well, so I can have real-time reports on each property.
With DoorLoop, I have the ability to send tenants payment receipts on their cell phones or via email. It made my life so much easier, and I'm glad I made that change.
Join thousands of landlords and property managers automating and simplifying their accounting, payments, and more. Manage your accounting anytime, anywhere. Save time, make more money, and grow your rental portfolio with DoorLoop.